The modern vacuum can pick up all kinds of debris, but a common problem in most homes is hair that wraps tightly around the brush roll and can affect your vacuum's performance. But at Shark, we've invented anti-hair wrap technology. The specially designed comb removes hair from the brush roll so you don't have to, giving you Shark's powerful cleaning with no drop-in suction and no more tangles. Anti-hair wrap technology, only available from Shark.
If vacuuming's supposed to make things cleaner, why is it such a dirty job? The dust cloud when you empty, or washing filthy filters and waiting for them to dry? So we created the G-Tech Pro, the cordless vacuum with a bag, to make cleaning cleaner. Its optimised brush bar powers through everyday dirt and mess. And G-Tech's unique airlock system cleans deep down. So no more bulky bags that rip. We've re-engineered the bag with 3 robust layers to trap the dirt. And the G-Tech Pro's not just for your floors. This 7-in-1 vacuum transforms into a handheld for cleaning your stairs, upholstery and car. The extension tube gives greater reach. And the impressive mini power head removes stubborn debris in a flash. The cordless G-Tech Pro. No more messy emptying, just high performance, cleaner cleaning. Order your G-Tech Pro today.